Hello friends, I hope you are well. Today we have a new video that is very important, and you should watch and learn carefully until the end of the video. Today we will discuss about divergences in a specialized way, and we create a strategy from this concept so that we can all use it and earn profit. Let's go to the chart and I will explain it to you in a practical way. Divergence, in simple words, means that the price movement and the indicator are opposite. When the price goes up, the indicator goes down, and when the price goes down, the indicator goes up. In divergences, priority is given to the indicator. If it goes up, the price will go up in the future, and if it goes down, the price will go down in the future. The indicator we use is C. We add this indicator to the chart from the indicators section and go to its settings section and disable the C-based option from the style section. As you can see in this area, the price has moved down and made a new floor. But at the same time, the movement of the C indicator was upward and made a higher floor. So we have divergence in this area, and we expect the price to rise. So we open a long position in this area. We set the stop loss at the bottom of the last price floor and set the TP almost twice as much as the stop loss. Divergences are very strong and are among reversal strategies, and they have a very high win rate and are used in all the points of the chart. It is used in trends and ranges. In this part of the chart, as you can see, the price has made a new ceiling and moved upwards, but this is not the case in the indicator, and the indicator has set a lower ceiling. Therefore, there is a divergence, and we expect the price to act according to the indicator and fall. So, we open the shorts position and adjust stop loss and TP. Set the TP twice the stop loss. The transaction is closed with profit. You see, it is very simple and practical. Only by practicing you can master and have excellent performance. Let's go to the next example. In this situation, the price has moved down, but at the same time, the indicator has moved up. So we have a divergence, and according to the indicator we expect the price to rise and move upwards. So, we open a long position and place a stop loss and a tip. The transaction is closed with. We have reached the end of the video. In this video I will give you a task to learn better. Your task is to go to the Bitcoin chart or the used chart. In the time frame of 5 minutes, find at least 3 divergences. Comment the result for me. Also, comment your questions and problems so that I can guide you. If you like the video, press the like button. I'll see you in the next video.